of Rihan and Kwandi.
아저씨, 휴게실이 좀 추운데 전기 난로를 켜도 돼요?
그럼요. 켜도 되죠. 휴게실에 있는 동안 잘 사용하고 나갈 때는 꼭 스위치를 끄고 플러그도 뽑아 놓으세요.
네, 그럴게요.
지난번에는 아무도 없는데 난로가 켜 있어서 깜짝 놀랐어요.
그래요? 큰일 날 뻔했네요. 제가 다른 친구들한테도 신경 쓰라고 얘기할게요.
Okay. It's a bit cold in the lunch. 아저씨 or sir. So he's pertaining to an 아저씨. Okay, 아저씨. 휴게실이 좀 추운데. So it's a bit cold in a lounge, in the lounge. 전기 난로를 켜도 돼요? Can I turn on the electric heater? Of course, you can do that. 그래요. 켜도 되죠. Okay, you can do that. After use, 휴게실에 있는 동안 잘 사용하고 after use, make sure you turn it off and unplug it when you leave. While using it, or after using it, 나갈 때는 꼭 스위치를 끄고 플러그도 뽑아 놓으세요. So make sure you turn off the plug or turn it off and unplug it when you leave. 휴게실에 있는 동안, so while you are at the lunch or like this, a picture, lunch, 휴게실에 있는 동안, so while you are at the lunch, 잘 사용하고 나갈 때는 꼭 스위치를 끄고 turn it off, 플러그도 뽑아 놓으세요. Okay, 뽑아 놓으세요. So make sure to turn it off and unplug it. When you leave, 나갈 때는 when you leave. 휴게실에 있는 동안, while you are at the lunch, you can use the electric heater. But after you leave or after you use it, 사용하고 나갈 때는 when you leave, make sure to 꼭 스위치를 끄고 플러그도 뽑아 놓으세요. Make sure to turn off the switch and unplug it. Okay? 네, 그럴게요. Yes, I will. Thank you. 지난번에는 the other day, 아무도 means nobody. 아무도 means nobody. First the nobody. No one or nobody. No one or nobody. 아무도 없는데. There is no one there. So last or the other day, there is no one there. 없는데 난로가 켜 있어서 깜짝 놀랐어요. So the heater is on. I was startled. Okay, so in a full sentence, I was startled to see the heater on the other day when no one or nobody was there. Okay, so 깜짝 놀랐어 means 깜짝 놀라다, startled. Here, startled. 깜짝 놀라다, 놀랐어요, startled. Okay? 그래요? Really? 큰일 날 뻔했네요. Meaning, 울뻔하다, 하다, to almost do something. Or in a whole sentence, 큰일 날 뻔했네요. 제가 다른 친구들한테도 신경 쓰라고 얘기할게요. So that would have been a serious problem. 큰일이 나다. 큰일 날. Okay? 큰일 날 means serious, to be a serious problem. 큰일 날. So plus the 일본하다, it would have been a serious problem. Okay? I will tell my friends to keep an eye on it. 신경 쓰라고. 신경을 쓰다, to take care of or to pay attention. So I will tell my friends to take care of it or to pay attention or to keep an eye on it. Okay? 신경 쓰라고. 얘기할게요. Okay? Keep an eye on. Now let's practice.
그림에 맞는 표현을 보기에서 골라 넣으세요.
Choose the words or expressions from the box that best describe the picture. First, number 1, il. The answer,
에어컨,
에어컨, aircon. E. The answer is,
스위치,
okay, switch or switch. Number 3, some. The answer,
플러그,
pulago, or plug. Number 4,
선풍기,
선풍기, or the electric fan. Lastly, number 5,
전기난로,
전기난로, or the electric heater.
대화를 읽고 맞는 대답을 고르세요.
Read the following and choose the most appropriate answers. Number 1, il.
선풍기를 켜고 자면 안 돼요.
선풍기를 켜고 자면 안 돼요. 선풍기 means the electric fan, right? 선풍기. 켜고 자면, sleep. 면, if sleeping, 안 돼요. 면, 안 돼요. You should not sleep with the electric fan 켜고, on. The answer is
네, 자는 동안에는 사용하지 않을게요.
자는 동안, while sleeping, 에는 사용하지 않을게요. So I will not use 사용하지. I will not use the electric fan. I will not use it while sleeping. 는 동안, 자는 동안, while sleeping. Number 3, some.
전기장판 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요?
So, 전기장판 좀 빌려줄 수 있어요? Can you lend me an electric blanket? 전기장판 좀 빌려줄. Lend me. The answer is
그럼요. 제가 고향에 가 있는 동안 사용하세요.
그러면 sure. 제가 고향에 가 있는 동안 사용하세요. Okay, 제가 고향, province or hometown. 가 있는 동안. So while I'm at the province, 사용하세요. Please use it. Or you can use it while I am at the province or I'm at my hometown. Now let's learn the residential dwelling types of Korea. 한국이 주거 용대. 주거 용대. Okay, so the first is apartment. 아파트. Apartment. 아파트. An apartment is a self-contained housing unit in a single building which consists of multiple units. Okay, so ito yung building. As you can see, ito yung building. So, ito yung building. Ayan yung apartment. You call this apartment. Okay, ito yung mga residential in Korea. First is yung apatu. Apartment. Okay, so isang building, tapos may multiple units. Another one is 주택 or house. Cheap. 주택. There are two types of houses: single-family detached houses and multi-family residential. A single-family detached house is a separate, freestanding residential building, like this one. A multi-family residential house consists of multiple separate housing units in a townhouse-style single building. So, itong isang building na to ay maraming housing units. Okay, different housing units. So, pag single-family detached, isang buong bahay. Okay, ito lang, isang buong building sa isang family lang. Okay, so, 주택. Another residential studio type apartment. One room. So, one room is a studio furnished with basic facilities for living in a single room. So, isang room, andun na lahat kama, kusina, CR, and lahat ay na sala. So, studio type. Isang room, yun na yung kwarto mo. A studio type. Okay, so basic facilities in the single room. Another is cozy one.